In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, network the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy, that's where it's at. Let's go. This is the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy network. In 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. You caught me watching my Twitter. Here we go. Let's get started, guys. Once again, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. I go by several different names, of course, due to the Piper Academy family, the alumni. I have Tradester Joe and also T.I. Joe. I don't care what you call me as long as you call me. We'll just say that. All right. So let's look at Bitcoin in just a moment. We're going to go to the crypto bubbles first and then the liquidations heat map. So first, we're looking at the crypto bubbles. What do we have on the crypto bubbles for the hourly? Starting to come down. If you were watching my show on the 12 o'clock time frame on my channel, Trade Intuition, you would see it was a completely different story because at that time, Bitcoin was going up. Right now, we're going to see Bitcoin in just a moment. We do have Farcoin 2.8% down. Virtuals 1.6% down. Right now, these coins are literally following Bitcoin. Pretty soon, it's going to be to the point where Bitcoin's going to be going up or down. Doesn't matter because the alts will be doing their thing. And that's called alt season. And that's when we're going up 40, 50, 60%. Easy. All right, here we go. On the daily time frame, this is what the daily is looking like. Well, we had some really nice gains with virtual XDC. I believe this was a coin that somebody had mentioned. I forget who it was. Maybe Jesse, maybe username, maybe somebody else. They were asking about XDC. And this one is up 23.2%. I think this one's a low market cap. What is this one? Let me click on it. Market cap. Oh, no, it's not low. $1.95 billion. All right. Let's go to the liquidation heat map now. Let's go ahead and refresh this. This is on the 24-hour time frame. We're gonna get to the chat in just a moment. If you are here, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like. Let me know you're here. Let me know you're here. This is on the 24-hour time frame. Ooh, a lot of liquidations now. Wow, this is more than it was on my show. So here we go. Let's go ahead and reduce this again. So we have a really hot spot right here, right at 98.5. This is on the 24-hour. And then right underneath it, 98.3. And then, pretty good amount at 97.7. And then it gets lower and lower. And then not really too hot down here. And when I'm referring to hot, that's the really bright yellow. You can see that over here. This is the amount of liquidations. And let's see here. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's do the 12-hour. Do the 12-hour. On the 12-hour, we have 37 million to be liquidated if the price goes to 100.8. And then much brighter, very hot, 40.4 million if the price comes down to 98.7. And then again at 98.5. And then another one at 98.2. We have a lot that are stacked up going down. 97.7 and another one at 97.4. Now, earlier during my show, the 12 o'clock show, we had some that were down here, some were that up here. And I was saying, well, more than likely, if the market makers want to push the market up, first what they'll do, probably, nobody knows, but come down to get, there was only, I think, 2 levels on my show. Come down to get these 2 levels, then go up to get these 2, and then possibly come back down, create more liquidations, and then continue going up. but we shall see. We shall see. Let us go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. And the question in the poll is, will Bitcoin pull back during the show? During the show, we have this wick that is forming. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Do we think that price will be pulling back or continuing to go up? To the moon, to the moon. So we'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Very good. We got some votes going on that. Let's see here. Going down the chat really quick. We do have Crypto Coin Mindsets. It says, time for some trading made easy. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. Now, of course, Crypto Coin Mindset, doing big things, guys. He is doing big things. Of course, I'm on his channel. I'm on everybody's channel, right? I'm on his channel on Mondays at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have a great time. We have a great time there. And then, of course, I also hang out with him on Friday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a place where you can go relax, take off your shoes, drink a cold one, talk about crypto, talk about the markets in general, talk about the economy. It's all over the place. And it's a good, really cool place just to hang out. Let's see here. We have BC Port Corp. He says, it's pullback time. One more sweep of the lows. I hope it's one more sweep, man. I really do. And we're going to get to Bitcoin in just a moment. Man, Jesse says, yep, exactly, BC. Last liquidation. Let's get them. Let's get them. And then Moon Mission, we're going to have such a great time. Oh my gosh, we have waited so long for this moment. So long for this moment. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. Let's see here. We got French Toaster in the house. What's up, my man? What is going on? JR, what's going on, man? What's going on? Glad to see you. Kate Diggity in the house. What's going on, guys? We got some bingo bangles from Dave P. My man. All right. So you made it through another day at work. I hear you, man. Mining that fiat, it's tough. But you got to do it. You got to do it so that you could go into crypto more and just, DCA. DCA. So it's about. All right, going down the list really quick, very quick. See, username says best 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Show. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Let's see here. Jesse says, I have laughed so hard when I read the poll. Yes. Yes, indeed. All right, here we go. Got to put in that work, I'm telling you guys. Let's see here, going to the list. Going down the list. All right, good stuff, guys. So happy you're here. So happy you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. We did have this note here. Price action needs to break / retest 95.7 in order to become bullish. This was the area right here. Now, long term, we are bullish. Long term, we are bullish. And that was more of a statement of the continuation of being bullish. Let's go ahead and just bring this down here. The reason for that is because we kind of have some zones. We have like a high zone, or you can call it a range high, range low, mid range. Now, before there was only this. This wasn't here when we created this. Or was it this one? I don't remember. I do so many of these that sometimes I forget. But anyway, there's one here now. And what I'm referring to is where it came up and then got stopped, came down, created a pivot. This is our mid range. This is our bounce zone. You can see it right here. This is our bounce zone. This is our danger zone. We do not want to break below this level. Like, this is our little zone here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see what we did. We got the candle body close and also the wick. And this was our area of like almost last resort. That's our last area of support before we go into this danger zone. Now, when we get our pullback, I really wanted this to happen back in December for us to, break, maybe even get this one. I didn't think this one, but, around, I'd say 82, 81. I really wanted this to happen back in December so we can get it over with. Do I think it's going to go there now? It's the more time that goes on, the harder it is for me to say that it will go or possible to go down to these levels, but anything is possible. Anything is possible. There's still a chance. You could be 99% positive or higher probability of it going up, but there's always that 1%, and they may come down. Now, for this, do I think that we are, very, very strong? We had a bounce, almost bounce. Oh, well, just above it, bounce, above it, bounce, above it, bounce, right on it, bounce, this bounce zone, bounce zone, bounce zone. If we do get rejected in this zone, 101 to about 103, if we do, if not sooner, but if it does come up here, this is an area that I'm looking for rejection. Now, what I would really like to see, to me, this would be stronger for a move, something like this, where it's up here, it comes down, retest this area, and then comes back up, breaking this level. This to me would be much stronger than if we just went from here to up to this, to this. This would be, man, this would be nice, but it's too great of a move going up. Hopefully that makes sense. Like, there's a lot of liquidity that's left here. Doesn't mean that market makers will take it, because they can make liquidity areas above. But they're just saying, I would prefer from here to go up, to come back down, retest this area, and this. This to me, and we'll do this one in this color. This right here is stronger. We're going to do stronger. And we will change the background color to this. Probably hard to see. Maybe if I change the font to a white. Okay. So this is stronger than, oh, I didn't use that. This is weaker. And then for this one, we would do this in yellow and then this in black for sure. This. And this right here is pretty much the same as this. I want to see it go up, get rejected here, come back down, get a bounce, and go up. So this, hopefully this makes sense. I don't know where to put this. Where did I put it? Go right here. All right. Let's see here. Going into the chat. All right. Let's see here. Going down the list. Okay. Very good. See, Darian does thing says, "How's the cough today, Joe?" Man, it's great until I start talking. Well, no. It's something in the air. Something in the air. I need to fix my air purifier. That's what I need to do. There's something in the air. But much better today. Much, much better. See here. Thank you, Jimmy. Jimmy. Thank you, man. Appreciate you for being here. Really appreciate you. The best. Love it. Here, all sets in the house. What's up, my friend? What is going on? Okay, going down the list. Going to the list. Ooh-wee, Jesse, filling up on them 2 plates. I love it. Whatever it was, it must have been good, though. Whatever it was. Chicken nuggets. Oh, no. No chicken nuggets. Okay, going down the list really quick. All right, very good. All right, so let's see. Any coins you want me to do, guys? Any coins you want me to do? If not, we will be looking at some of the coins we've been previously looking at. But for me personally, I would like to see Bitcoin coming down. Now, we've had this really nice run up. We had this run up. I would like to have seen it come down, take 38%, 50% of the move, then go up. But it said nope, went sideways for a little bit, went up again, sideways for a little bit, went up again, sideways for a little bit. I think it's time for it to come down. But we won't know until it breaks this level. If it breaks this level, then more than likely it'll break this level. And then we got to watch this level at 96.7. And then hopefully hopefully the numbers are large enough. So let me go ahead and clear this off. Let's do this. And make sure my magnet tool is on. This is our main level right here that we got to watch. So if it breaks this level, oh man, you know, I would like it to break the level. Let's go 4-hour time frame. Kind of zoom out a little bit. I would like it to break this level and then come down. Let me get rid of these. These are all just thought process. It's thought process at the moment of the actual price movement. So I would like to see a bounce here. What I want to do is I want to see it bounce higher. I want to see a higher low. I really don't want it to enter the bounce zone again. I would like for it to come down. Let's do this. So this is the very bullish scenario. So let's go ahead and write all this out. So let's put a very bullish scenario. Very bullish scenario. I don't know how to spell scenario. Scenario. How do you spell scenario, guys? Scenario? Senior? Help me out with the spelling, guys. Help me out with the spelling. Everybody put it in the chat. How do you spell scenario? I don't know how. I don't know how to spell. Reading is very difficult for me. But one thing is not difficult is reading charts. That's a very difficult scenario. Help me out, guys. Help me out. I know there's a delay. So this is what I would like to see. This is what I would like to see. A bounce here. Nope, let me get rid of this one. Scenario. Oh, I forgot my A. Scenario. There it is. And of course, I could have just done it and it would have taken away the stuff. But you would have seen me battling, like, I don't know how to do this. Does it do a... By right click? Oh, it does have a spelling. Before it didn't, right? I don't even know. I remember it having those red things, but it would never give me the thing. Maybe because it was so far away from the actual spelling. I hate that. Like I'll be on the phone and I'll be click, 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 click. And it's you know, to get a misspelling. And I'll take off a letter, put another letter. It doesn't even give me any suggestions. Like that's how bad it is sometimes. And then sometimes I'll get an alert. Kid, give your mom the phone. It's like, listen, man, I can't spell. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So this is what I would, man, I really don't want to see that like a hard drop. We're already the 15th though. I really want to see on the 20th or maybe even the 19th, the markets just take off. It's a nice area of support, this zone. We have a very bullish scenario. We have a weaker scenario due to the run up. This is stronger due to the pullback. To me, this is the ideal. From here to here to here to here. Break above, come down. Come up, come down, This one will be orange. This one will be a blue. Joe, you're spending too much time on this. That's okay. Oh, I need to change this. Oh, no, I can't do this white. Okay, so all this needs to be like this. This right here, that right there, this right here. Let me do a white outline. Border, white. Oh, this needs to be white. Yeah, there we go. So this matches up. So very bullish. This will be weaker. This will be stronger. And this will be ideal. Ideal. It's going to be orange. Text, does it look better white? I think so. And it's a long time though. I mean, it might. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I would like to see a pullback coming to the bounce zone, but not in the bounce zone. Bouncing above the bounce zone, creating a higher low. And if you squint your eyes really hard and you shake your head really fast, I mean, you might see an inverse head and shoulders, a shoulder, a head, and then a shoulder for the people that do patterns that aren't really great patterns and trade on the 1 minute time frame. I mean, they might see that, but to me, this will be ideal. I do like it. Okay, moving on. See here, let's look at some of this stuff. Some apple juice. Apple juice. Okay. Let's cookie. Yes, I do love this coin. This coin has made us a lot of money. It's cookie dough. Cookie dough. See, AI rig complex. Oh yeah, I actually saw they partnered up with somebody today. To me, it was like a no name, but still, I mean, they're partnering up. AR and then rig or something complex, and this one is ARC. Horizon. I haven't seen that one. Horizon. At least I don't remember it. Virtuals. Okay. Also, it says scenario, Joe. Spell it out. Just sound it out. Hey, Diggy says, really? We're in second grade here again? It's scenario, Joe. Jesse says, scenario, Joe. Come on, man. See here, D-Launch AI 9000. Don't know if that's a coin. If so, what's the ticker on that? I don't know if that's a coin or y'all are just talking to each other. I'm gonna write it down though. D-Launch. If this is something on a DEX, it's extremely important that you let me know. If not, we waste time. Robert, scenario. Let's see here. List. All right, Crypto Coin Mindset. Appreciate you, man. We will see you later on. Appreciate you. Oh, wait, I forget. I have to read these before, especially with username and others in here. There's like 5 of y'all that I got to be careful with. See here. Yeah, that one's all right. Jesse says, no more patterns for me. No, me neither. Now, granted, I do see them. And in a bullish market, the bullish patterns play out very, very well. Well, because the market's bullish. Hello. In the bearish market, the bearish patterns play out very well in the bearish market because it's bearish. Hello. So yeah, I don't like patterns. See, AI 9000 is a coin. Don't you know, Joe? Okay, got it. Ticker is AI 9000 on Ava Dex. I don't know about Ava Dex, but we'll try to find it. See here, Crypto Trade says, "Yo, what's up, man? What is it?" All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I did not need a cough, but I said, you know what? Let me try to clear my throat really quick. Go through this one, Fart Coin. We talked about this on YouTube. Set alert here. We were thinking it possibly go up, then come down, but it did go up and barely came down. Came up here. Our alert went off. Candle did close. All right, so let's go ahead and delete all of this. 33 drawings down the drain. This is Fart Coin. Let us just do this really, really quick. From here to here. This is our level. We will make this one a gray. Let's do this. So the 4-hour candle did close above this. Let's do a pullback of 15% boring. Let's do 32%. All right, hold on. I don't know what that is. 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, there was Elon Musk has retweeted somebody from, I think, like Japan or China or somewhere, where he looks identical to Elon Musk, like a younger version of him. And right now he's like, Tesla, or they can't say it, or he couldn't say it has. It's like Tesla. Yeah. All right, here we go. Moving on. Let's see here. So Fart Coin, I do like it. This would be our lower entry. Make sure my mic is on. Okay. So this will be our lower entry. And let us do, well, let me see. Fart Coin daily. $4-hour. Okay. Do this. Let's go from our high to our low. Go ahead and flip this. Style. Reverse. Bring this to the front. Then this one's a larger market cap. So we'll do 50 for the target. So 50%. And then we'll do 90. So 50%. And then this, why not? Enter now. Enter now with a lower bid. So YouTube entry. Today is the 15th. The time is 4:30. Yep, I like it. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. Let's go and, I mean, we got a lot. We have a lot to do. Let's see here, Cookie. So we were looking at Cookie. This is on YouTube. And this was on my show earlier today. So if you're not watching my show, definitely watch my show. You want to set an alert at 0.72886. 4-hour candle must close above this level in the blue. Ooh, I don't like that number. I didn't even realize that number. Get out of here, number. Let's do a sec. Just use zeros. Get out of here. Copy. And let's do this. Oh, I didn't even catch it the first time. All right, here we go. So there is that. We got Road Dog Crypto in the house. What's up, Road Dog? Appreciate you, man. Yeah, I was Road Dog did an earlier stream today. I guess he just finished. I was in there and said, hey man, I gotta go. But he normally streams at 10:30-ish at night. And lately he's been doing morning or earlier shows, and I love it, man. I love it. I love, he has a different crowd, and that crowd is giving me like plenty of gems. So thank you, man, for coming in. Appreciate you greatly. Let's see here. So for cookie, I still think this is possible. A retrace, we would have a lower bid around 16, 17%, and then another one around 30%. And this would be in this zone. So here is actually the discount zone. This is the premium. You don't want to pay premium. You want your discount. And this is more than likely well, not more than likely, but this is the mid-range. So if you can buy it underneath this mid-range area, good. And we're looking for a bounce. We're looking for a bounce right here. But if it does go up, if it continues going up, more than likely it'll come down, have our alert, get, set. 4-hour time frame must close above this 0.667. All right. Let's see here. I do like that one. So we did cookie, ARC. Do we have ARC here? I don't believe so. So make sure we're on YouTube. That way we don't give any of the secrets away that I have in my group. So just kind of give you a heads up. Let it load up. We're going to do Horizon next, and then virtuals after that. So let's go to ARC USDT on MEXC. And why don't I have anything on this one? I know I've done it. Maybe, I don't think I've done it there. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. So looking at this, let's go to the daily time frame. This one looks good. I like it. This one looks ready. This one looks a big time ready. So one thing that I like to do is I like to go to coin market cap, and I like to see the actual market cap of this, 445 million. A lot of people don't talk about this, but I absolutely love doing this to where I see what the market cap is, because this shows me how far and how fast the price action can move. And this is on Solana ecosystem. Now, what I also want to do is I want to go to their actual website. Now, I know we've done this before, but I want to see what they actually are. I think they are, ooh, no, I don't want to go home. Hi, we're ARC. I don't like it. Oh, I got to scroll down for more. I don't like that. And it's very light. So right now, right off the bat, for the website, -1 for this. I don't like this. Should just show me the website. -10 for this. It's very small and in light gray on a light gray background. Don't like it. See here. Oh, that's right. This is the dumb one where it says, we take the red pill and the blue pill. Okay, what do? That's it. That's their website. -10. -10. Send AI, shuttle dev, Arbitrum, abstract. No. Where are your socials? Oh, right here. Let's go to X. They have 31.5 thousand people following them. Okay. January 6th, they pinned this. Okay. Whatever that is. 3 hours ago, we build a rig. We build. Rig builds us. Okay. I don't know what it is. Let me go to this and see if it tells me about. We're here to make you take the red pill and the blue pill. Boring. Right off the bat, I'm not trading it. Now, granted, Jesse could be making a lot of money with this coin. For me, nah. I'm out. I'm not even wasting my time. Like stuff like this, you need a website. I don't know what it does. Make it simple for me. We are building Web we're making Web3 easier. Okay, how? We are get paid for your unused internet. Okay, awesome. Red pill, blue pill. No. See here, and this is my honest opinion, guys. This is my honest opinion. Like when I do my research, this is what I'm looking for. We partnered with a nobody, in my opinion. I don't know who they are. To bring flexible, this and that, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, so there's a mining. Is it mining? I don't know. What is this? Mining? Retro mic. Dash. Yes. We will do Dash next. We will do Dash next. It's talking about rigs, maybe mining. See, Arbitrum reposted this. We build rig, real big's us. Arbitrum. Okay. Saying the same thing and it's telling me nothing. We foster new devs building AI-powered apps on Abstract. So they're teaming up with this. It's an AI agent launch pool. Where in the world do you see that? Please tell me, where in the world do you see that? I saw nothing that says AI or agents or launchpad. Where do you get that information? Looking. So here's something with AI. Coin stats. Well, in my opinion, it should be in more places than one. That's just my opinion. Because the only people that have coin stacks or coin stats will know that information. If I go to their website, really? If I go to their website, this is what I see. If I go to their Twitter, this is what I see. But if I go to CoinStats, then it tells me what they are. In my opinion, fell. It's listed on a contract. In my opinion, fell. I don't like it at all, 100%. Could you make money on this? Sure, if you knew what it was. Jesse knows what it is. I don't. There's nothing in here that's that. Let's go to the very top. The very top, it says what they are. We take the blue pill, red pill, blue pill. We are an AI agent farm. We manufacture AI agents to better build your community. This is the AI agent hub. Boring. Dead. Dead to me. All right. Enough beating up that project. Let's look at the coin. That looks ready. If I did not know how to do research and I only did TA, then I'm in. But because I know about how to research and how to find stuff, and obviously I didn't do a great job because I could not find one lick of evidence of what this is. At least I didn't understand it. Maybe it's too smart for me. Based off of that information, I wouldn't do this. So let's go ahead and erase the last 10 minutes of my life. Jesse says, I get you, man. See here, Retro Mike says, business model, writing the AI agent. Yeah, definitely, man. And definitely. And that's what happened when, what was it? Well, when the AI narrative came out, everything was identified as AI. It's like, how are you AI? But here we go, ARC. Let's take away that 10 minutes of my life. And let's look at this as if I did not know how to do that. I just knew how to do TA. Let's go. What do I see? I see a really nice zone. Man, this zone is really nice. So this is my zone. Candle body top. Candle body top. Creates this zone. Beautiful. Look at how it respects it. So for me personally, I would have an alert above here, above these wicks. And this would be my alerts. Set alerts. Over here, coordinates, copy. Do this. Make it look fancy. I will set my alert here. Of course, you actually have to set the alert. You have to actually set the alert. But for me, I will not set the alert from this one. And then you can make a lot of money, in my opinion, because it's such a low market cap. It doesn't take much to move it. First, oh my gosh. Once again, can you make money with something that doesn't explain anything? 100%. 100%. Here, I would sell 50% at 0.055774. Next one, I would do here about 82%. This one, I would sell 50% of it at 0.070283 and let the rest ride. And then sell more than likely all of it in about 3 months. That's what I would do for this one. All right, moving on. Next one is Dash. I think I spelled that right. DASH USDT. I think this one for Retro Mike. Let's go to Mexi. See here, Dash, yes. Retro Mike. Man, this one looks so good. This one's an oldie but a goodie. An oldie but a goodie. So here, it looks like it's potentially reached the bottom, right, this area. This is a really nice zone that it's got going on for it right here. It's a bounce zone. If it doesn't bounce here, oh man, we're in trouble. We can come down here. I don't think we'll come down here though. Hopefully the bounces are done. Hopefully it's up only, but I doubt it. Wishful thinking, wishful thinking. If you haven't already, guys, smash the like. Definitely help support the channel. If you want more of this content, definitely make sure to watch me on my channel, Trade Intuition, at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. All right. Let's see here. Lovelace says, bro, I am so sick of these altcoin pullbacks. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Lunar Beaches Crypto says, I don't understand these projects. DGen. I'm all in. Yeah. Let's go to the let's do this. Let's do this right here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I like it. I like it. Price came down, came up, came down. Beautiful retest right in this area. Came down, up, lower, low. Watch out. We may come back for this. Up, down, broke this level. Did come back for this. Came back even for a little bit of this. Came up. We had a zone right here. It broke out of, retested. Well, kind of went in it, but it's okay. We're not getting super technical. So it actually went in it. And let's do this one, a purple. And now it's coming up. I like it. I like it. I would not be surprised if price did this first. Come down lower than this to maybe even here before coming up and then doing this. Let's put this to white. What is the price range tool? Tell us, how low can it go? 10%, boring. I want to see 20. I want to see 30. Give me some good numbers. 10%. So because of that, what I personally would do, not financial advice, I did for now. Why not? Why not? Let's go. Let's go. So this one, let's do this. Today is the 15th. The time is 4:45. 4:45. Okay. And I do, I would like for it to come down. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but I would like for it to come down to, I don't think it'll come all the way down here. We'll have two lower bids. We'll have one right around 10%. And we'll do this right here. It's going to be a lower entry. We're going to duplicate this. and do a lower entry here. I don't think this one will hit, but for the first lower entry, it's 10% from where it's at currently. And for the second lower entry, it's roughly around 20%. Now, you may think, well, why aren't you doing a stop loss? For me personally, because we're in this segment of the bull run to where pretty soon everything's going to be going up. Now, could I be completely wrong and we go and just lose 40, 50%? Sure could. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But for me personally, what I would do is have lower entries and not stop losses. For me, I don't plan on doing a stop loss until about, say, April. Now, you can only do this in a certain portion of the market. For me, I am a stickler on stop losses. Like, you must have a stop loss. Stop losses will save your butt. However, right now, I don't want to get stopped out 15%, 12%, whatever it is, for it to jump 40, 50%, and then me miss out a whole bunch of gains. I would rather have a lower entry, knowing that if it does go lower, I just wait longer. Wait an extra week, 2 weeks before I break even, then it goes up. That's my process. All right. So this is what I would do here. And then we would do we would do a target. First target would be 50%. Alt J. And do sell 50% here. And then you have another target up top, but we're just going to do one for right now for time's sake. But you sell 50%, you set your next target, sell 50%, and then you let the rest ride, more than likely selling in about 3 months. That's my thought process. And that way you can keep a little bit in it. So let's just say this one goes and does a 4X or 5X, and you forget about it. I mean, you're in other coins. You had the intention of trading this one back and forth, back and forth. You got busy with the other coins. They're making you a lot of money. And then you go and you check your account, like, whoa, wait a minute. How do I have so much money? Oh, that's right. I never sold 100% of Dash. Wow. That $50, $200, whatever it was that you left in the account is now $2,000, maybe $5,000 that you would not have seen if you would have sold it all. That's my thought process. Retro Mike Tech says a Dash is like CAS, except it's actually used. Ooh, burn in your face, CAS, in your face. Take that in your face. All right. Jesse says ETH, base, Arbitrum, LBC. Let's see here. Username. So RMT is saying Dash is the next one to be shielded. Dun, dun, dun. Possibly. It's an oldie, but goodie. I've really never traded Dash. I don't think I've ever traded Dash. All right. So that is a great setup. I do like that one. Let's go over here and duplicate the tab. We did this one. Let's skip down to, let's try to look for AI 9000. AI 9000. Let's see if it comes up on this. AI 9123. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Like it. I think it's going to come down, but I like it though. Very small market cap, in my opinion, due to the wicks. Wasn't doing anything really too much. Had a nice little move. People got wind of it. People started FOMOing, kept on going. More people started FOMOing, kept on going. More people started talking about it on Twitter or wherever, so kept on going. And then all the people that were talking about it here and here and here and here, well, they sold and took their profit. Nicely done. Let's do a favor retracement. Let's go ahead and make sure that since we're pulling from the bottom to the top, we take off the reverse. It did come down here to the golden pocket, barely passed it, came back up. Man, this thing moves. Came down, beautiful bounce on the golden pocket. Came up, came down. Retro Mike says, say 89, and the fine one randomly appears. There you go. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. We have Wix Wi-Fi 89 in here. Thank you so much. You're the best. You are the best. All right. So I do think it'll go lower. We had a pullback. came up, pull back, pull back, came up. It didn't even try to do a double top. It just did lower. So we're looking for possible bounce here. Possible bounce here. Then I think it's going to go higher because this thing moves and then come down and then go up. That's what I think might happen. I don't know. I don't know. It might. We'll see. I don't think it'll cross this level. What is this? 20%. Okay. So what we could do is we could do two things. One is we can have a lower bid, not entering now, but have a lower entry. Let's go and make it look fancy. Copy. Do this. So here, I knew that was going to happen. Get out of here, numbers. Get out of here. So let's go ahead and paste that there. Let's go to entry. And then I would wait patiently. 36%. Get out of here. Man, I don't want to wait no 36%. So what I'm going to do is go into my site again. Crypto market cap. And this is AI 9000. Now, granted, I will say I do like the name. It's what we have. AI 9000. Now we have one here. We have one here. Price is the same, so more than likely it's the same coin. I'm going to click on this first one. Hopefully we're not getting scammed. Everything looks about the same. Market cap, price. So I'm clicking on the first one. Market cap 24 million. So we called it, low market cap. It's been around since a year. No, I'm sorry. A month. Getting my days confused. My math skills. Man, Joe, you can't spell and you can't do math? Come on, man. Yeah, so about a month. Yeah. What is it? Oh, a lot of words. D-Launch AI. Launching a new era of decentralized AI ownership. Bingo bango. Nothing but ding, 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 ding for me. I like it. What is D-Launch AI? It's a decentralized platform. Do they have a website? Let's be the judge. I wish it was in black, but it's okay. Total seeded token 73, market cap. Okay. Okay. I wish I had more information. Okay. Oh, look at the doggy. I'm going to buy this one. Market caps. All right. I mean, I like it. Very simple website. I wish I had more information, just anything. Trending, newest orders. Okay. I like it. Transparency transactions. Okay. So token launch. The journey begins by simple tagging our AI agents with ticker information, which are then automatically deployed as a single-sided liquidity pool on I don't know how to say that word. Let's see here. That's it? You just tag them? Could be, I mean, there could be like a lot of scams. I mean, there's scams everywhere. But the journey begins with simply tagging our AI agents with ticker information, which then are automatically deployed as a single-sided liquidity pool. I don't know. I'd have to read more on this. It's not just a platform, it's a movement to unlock the untapped potential of decentralized innovation and redefine what's possible in the Web3 era. Okay. Ooh, January 12th. It says AI 9000. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Rug catcher X account is suspended state of a rug pull. Okay, so now let's verify that. Let's go to their X. Were we on their X? No, we just went to their website. It's not suspended. Can we see FUD? Possible. The Avalanche native no-code AI agent launchpad powered by Agent Intelligence Protocol. Man, that's a whole bunch of A's in that. Look at all the A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20 million, 10. Oh my gosh. So Playground is now live. Playground. What's this? Name of the agent. Twitter blueprint. Whoa, watch out. Watch out. What? So they have a working product. I mean, we saw it at their website. Here, can we link them to previously launched AI agent tokens? Soon, blueprints. Okay. Not enough video. Thanks, YouTube. Playground sounds like a game changer. Blah, blah. Okay, good. Okay. E-launch. Wait, that's D-launch. That's on the actual thing. What am I doing? Where's their Twitter? Is that their Twitter? Well, there is a Twitter. There's a contract address. Please connect your wallet. So how does this AI 9000 token plug into all this? Like, you have to hold a certain amount in order to use the application? If so, that's genius and that's great as a use case, and it prevents people from selling. Username says, too much reading, Tracer Joe. Be more like me. I don't read. Words read me. I had to leave and rejoin. All is fine. Oh, okay. I'm freezing too. Believe it's on Joe's end. Yeah, it is. So let me take off my camera because right now it's giving me errors. All right. It's the matrix. Oh, as soon as I got my camera, my thing works. So my question is, what does this token do for this D-Launch site? Do you have to hold a certain amount of tokens in order to access it? If so, that's genius. It doesn't say anything about that. Let's see here. Retro Mike Tech says, but I'm a tech noob, so what do I know? But yeah, let's look at the poll. The poll says Bitcoin will pull back during the show. 40% say yes, time for a pullback. 37% say nope, let's go to the moon. And then 23% say whatever username and Jesse say. So let's go ahead and end the poll. Let us look at the charts. For this one, very low market cap. So this could pull back much harder. You could have like one of these wicks. So I'm not going to do a 20%. I'll do a 55%. So this is why I do all my research that I do. Copy. Paste. And I would need to know what it's for though. Like how does this token have a use case? If this token has a 3, 2, and a 1. If this token has a use case, then I'd say enter right now. But if it doesn't have a use case, then why get the token? You know what I mean? And this 17% can move in like 10 minutes. You know what? YOLO. Yeah, I said it. Enter now. Not financial advice. This will be an enter now. Even though I don't know what the coin does. I don't know if it has a use case. Enter now. And then lower entry down here. And then let's go for the moon. Our first target is 95%. Target. We'll sell 50%. We'll have another target higher, and then we'll let the rest ride. All right. So that is pretty much it for the show, guys. I do thank you very much. We did not go over Horizon or virtuals, but maybe we'll get those next time. Virtuals is kicking butt, and same thing with AI16Z and all the other AI coins. Really, they had a nice retracement, and now it's going up. If you haven't already, definitely smash the like. I do thank you guys very much. We will see you on the next show. Oh man, I keep on forgetting 4:30. I need to start. Oh my gosh, 4:30 I need to start. That way we can push everybody to Frankie Candles. Dang it. Tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? I'll try to remember. I doubt it though. If not, hopefully by Monday we'll get that squared away. All right. Thank you guys very much. I do appreciate you greatly, and we'll see you in the next show. Until then, my name is Joe, also known as T.I. Joe, Tradester Joe, and my original Trade Intuition. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, let's make this money. Take care. Nope, wrong one. I'm over here focusing like, where is it at? Where is it at? 3, 2, 1. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. How did that thing go? A long time ago. See ya. This is what I was looking for.
In the land of digital gold, TA with T.I. Joe, we bold. Charts charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
Yeah, so true. The hour goes by like super, super quick. All right, guys, we'll see you later on. Take care. And we'll see you more than likely in the Frankie Candles. Love the dude. And man, I really like that guy. There's a lot of people that I really like, and he's one of them because he tells you how it is. He tells you nobody knows what's going to happen. And one thing when I first heard him say that, because I've been saying it forever, when I first heard him say that, I was like, all right, I like this dude, because it's so true. There's so many people out there that, oh, I know it's going to do this and it has to do this and it will do this. Like, no, man, don't speak in absolutes. Like, nobody knows that you could flip at any moment because we're trading against people. People are very, very spontaneous, or emotional. And when he said that, I was like, I like this dude. I like his energy too. He's a good guy. All right, that's all I got. Take care.
Watch it climb up to the sky.